In British Columbia, there's an ever-present sense of place that shapes our spirit and inspires our visitors. Diverse territories unfold as a seemingly endless canvas of possibility. Like the best performers, these landscapes hold many faces. Like the best stories, they never cease to surprise. When it comes to motion pictures, these remarkable spaces play both muse and artistic collaborator. A gifted character actor is comfortable playing a sugary romance as a desolate dystopia. From fairy tales to dark thrillers, these layered landscapes create countless worlds. There is a familiar thrill when BC appears in yet another production. A recognition, a connection, as if we're in on a secret. But it's a secret we're happy to tell. We love this land, this place of many faces, and we can't wait to see what wonders you discover. The land of many characters.